All right, guys. Happy Tuesday. Here's the directions for the assignment today. As you can see, we're kind of closing the chapter on the 9/11 mini unit. You guys watched the 7 days in September. You got to see the actual events, people's initial reactions. You got to see kind of people's responses and how America, especially New York, responded, kind of came together and helped each other out. And now we're going to kind of close the chapter looking at the killing of Osama bin Laden, which takes place 10 years after. So let's look at the assignment. It's a pretty simple one. There's some videos that kind of go with it. One is like just one of the more popular stories or famous stories of that night, and it's the baseball game between the Phillies and the Mets. That's kind of become synonymous with the killing of Bin Laden. There is an article. I'll get to the assignment here in a second. Then there's a video that kind of is the guy who actually shot Osama bin Laden, Robert O'Neill. He kind of accounts the story on a news broadcast. That's a 10-minute video. Um, Basically, it's the same exact thing as the article, but just in a video format and him telling his own story. So the assignment is, you'll click on the article, okay? You'll read through it. It's basically just giving you details. So once you get to about here, it's just going to kind of give you some details with some timestamps to go with it. So kind of a timeline of the operation. So you'll read that. Your assignment then is just to use this CRT. So just answer the questions on the Google Doc. So you may want to write down what was the main point of the article. And then right here, just type in what you think is the main point. So answer the questions, 3 important facts, list 2 questions you have, using specific examples. How does this article fit with the unit you're studying? So not very specific questions, just kind of big overarching summary questions. So just answer these questions on the CRT. This is your assignment, and then just turn in these answers, and you'll be good to go. If you got any questions, as always, email me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.